while, you only needed to know how to figure out the number of solutions to a linear system. But now you need to know how to find the number of real solutions for a quadratic equation. If you remember the quadratic formula, that is the most helpful. So let's take a look at that. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Well, how does this help? What's under the radical here has a special name. The name for this is the discriminant. And we're just going to call it D for right now. So there's certain things that the discriminant will tell you. If D is positive, if it's greater than 0, then there are 2 real solutions. If D is equal to 0, there's 1 real solution. And if D is less than 0, think about it. If there's a negative in here, what does that mean? It means that there's imaginary solutions, or there's 0 real solutions. So all we have to do to figure out if there are 2 solutions is figure out what the discriminant is for this. And in order for there to be 2, we have to set it greater than 0. So here, A is 1, B is 6, and C is C. So we're just going to plug it in. We're going to do B squared minus 4AC. And say it has to be greater than 0. So we have 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times c has to be greater than 0. 36 minus 4c is greater than 0. 36 is greater than 4c. And dividing by 4, we end up with c has to be less than 9. So the answer is D. Don't forget about the discriminant, because this type of question has been showing up on the last few exams. So you need to know how to figure out if there's 1 real solution, 2 real solutions, or no real solutions. And remember, it has to do with the discriminant.